In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Riot client no internet found. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you can go ahead and do is disable IPv6. Riot's legacy code often fails to handshake with the internet when both IPv4 and IPv6 are active. So what you want to do is press your Windows key and R, and then all you want to do is type in ncpa.cpl like so, and then go ahead and press OK or just hit enter. Then right click your active internet connection. So we're going to right click that, and then all you want to do is go over to properties, and then where it has internet protocol version 6 or IPv6, you want to go ahead and make sure that this is unchecked, and then click OK, and then click restart. As you can see, mine is currently unchecked as well. That's exactly how you want it to be. Now, if your client is stuck in an offline state, you need to clear your network's internet path. So type CMD in your search bar, and then you want to run it as administrator, but I'm just going to open it normally just for the video purposes. But all you want to do is type in the following. So the first one is ipconfig, and then it's going to be flush DNS. Press enter after you've done it and let it run. Then what you want to do is type this in. Once you do both these things and you press enter on them, try and restart your computer immediately. Then run your Riot client again and it should work. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.